Hey guys, it's Miles Like the Measurement. I have been putting something off for far too long. I got a brand new tech deck for Christmas and I haven't built it. Let's get into it. As you can see, Santa hooked me up. Hey yo. We got all the bits and stuff? Damn. Yo, the grippy too. Grippy is nice. Okay, I'm gonna grab some equipment and I'll be back. I don't know what I'll need exactly, but we're gonna find out soon. So I guess same with a normal board. We need to... I don't even know, yo. Okay, hold up. Perfect, perfect. So, yeah, let's just get into it, I guess. Gotta get this grip tape off, man. Never built a tech deck before. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I messed it up. Yikes. Okay, so confession, I kind of missed, but we innovate. This is so goofy, bro. Got the knife. Okay, let's go all the way around. Yo, I don't even need the knife, bro. It just comes off on its own. Damn, I see. Okay, almost around the edge. Perfection. It's actually nuts. Yeah, if I end up taking myself out from this, I'm glad it's on camera. How do I cut this finger tape, bro? I just gotta pull it off? What the heck? It's all just coming off with my hands. Thank you for joining me on this freaked out adventure, yo. My room's all messy. Got people coming over later. Dang. Okay. Very, very rough grip job. Kind of looks like my grip jobs in real life. I wish I had some pictures of those, because maybe I don't. Okay, let's clean this up. Yeah, this is pretty weird. All right, so putting some stuff in the garbage. Now I gotta try and figure this out. Oh my gosh. They gave me a little screw device. I actually gotta get to it. Okay. Little screw number 1. I always put them through the bottom so they poke the holes through. And then, yeah, that's the end of my sentence. So now I know where this one sticks out. Holy moly. This is cool. Oh, this is not looking very good. Because there's a bolt in the bottom now. And I don't know how to get it out. Might just be because it's stuck though. Okay, we got it out. I'm not gonna try that again. Bolts are too tiny, man. How do you cut holes in this grip tape though? I don't get it. Actually, wait. There might be an item on my floor for this. Okay, there's no item on my floor for this. I thought I was gonna have a Spidey sense moment. But I do have an alternative. And I think a container of these will do just fine. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Found the money right there. Let's go. Freaking paper clip. Clutch. Banana Fofana. Got me tripping, I miss my nana. Learning to meditate, don't know anyone who can concentrate. If you know me, you know I don't drop the plate. Even when out on my cute date. I'm a lyricist, what can I say? What can I say? I think I'm just gonna put all these bolts in. And then I will throw the trucks on. Yeah, these don't really stick. It's almost like they're little for a tech deck or something. Like, got 2 in. And now 4. So we can try and put a truck on. This is actually so advanced, man. Like, I don't know who's ever done this. Who's actually building their own tech deck. Probably pros. They're probably into it like I'm into my normal skateboard. I don't know why I didn't think of that. They're locked in, bruh. How do you get the trucks on? Banana Fofana. Got me tripping, I miss my nana. Okay, I think it's catching. I'm trying to get the other ones in now. This is so tough. But it's gonna be so cool once I'm done. What'd you do today, Miles? Oh, you know, just worked on some videos, made a tech deck. Made a what now? Exactly. What even is a tech deck? Got a runny nose. Man, I wish I was using my runny toes. Runny toes meaning like I want to go on a run. My toes are in fact runny. Okay, truck number 1 has been secured, and it's not going anywhere by the feel of things. Dude, that was a sweet on. Okay, so I think since we have 4 of these tiny bolts, I think we need to put those on the outside of the wheels, and we actually don't need more bolts for the inner trucks, which is a relief. Because less tiny bolts the better, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Fat fingers cannot fit. My fingers are too fat for this, bruh. Can type on a computer. Wish I had a rhyme that went with computer. Screwing engage. Holding it and I'm screwing it. This back part is so funny to me. I don't know if it's gonna focus in, but simple enough. Got me tripping, I miss my nana. I like the brown wheels. I like the brown wheels a lot. Okay. Time to put the wheel on. Oh, oh, it's working. It's working. No, they fell. Compensate, consummate, concentrate, contemplate. Just rhyming, guys. Don't mind me. I should probably do this where it's like very visible for you, but I don't know if you know this. I'm making a very amateur production. Kind of just want to build my tech deck and make a video, not make a video about building a tech deck. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit some sick tricks for you guys though, once this thing's ready, which seems like it's gonna be soon. Let go! Banana Fofana. I gotta work on that song, man. The reason I'm not is because my buddy, he's supposed to be working on the song with me. But the last time I invited him over, he was like, oh, I don't really want to hop on the beat. I just want to make raps and not actually get on the beat, you know? So then, why are you here, player? Gotta get on that beat. So I can move on to the next thing. Calling it up and giving it a ring. Alright. The longest 14 minutes of my life. Oh my gosh. This was just horrible. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, guys, come on. Start cleaning. Lock in. So, now we have a tech deck that I made by myself. with crazy grip chop, man. Holy, this thing's crazy. This thing's poppy though. Not gonna lie. This thing is poppy. Pop. Pop. Oh, nice like it. Okay, thank you.